Hi guys, so today we're unboxing this gift I've got from YouTube as part of the YouTube Partner Perks program, which is similar to the YouTube High Five that I did, but it's now called the YouTube Partner Perks, and we're getting more this. And this was something I was hoping to get, I didn't think I was going to be able to get because it wasn't working, but they got it working, and well, you can see. It is a clapperboard. So this is the Partner Perks little postcard, and it says lights, camera, action. You've scored a limited edition YouTube clapperboard made just for valued partners like you. This one of a kind is our special thank you for all your hard work and creativity. We'd love to see your new clapperboard in your next video. Show us the magic, the bloopers, and everything in between. Don't forget the tag at YouTube Creators and hashtag YouTube Partner Perks so we can check it out, which I will be doing. So we have a pen to draw on it, and if I can get it out, the clapperboard. So obviously it's a dry white one. I do have games that have dry whiteboard, so I have cloths I can use with this, so I'll grab one out and store it with it. But so it does open and close. Oh, it's magnetic at the top, so that holds it closed. I hope you can hear that click. That's quite satisfying. So that is really cool. So let's get my channel name on. Let's see if I can write neatly, shall we? It's always a toss-up to whether I can write neatly on the day or not. It depends how my hands are doing. One thing I can't do is write straight. There we go. Definitely not straight, and I think I started off bigger and got smaller. Thing is, I naturally write small, so I try to write big, but it just gets smaller and smaller. I used to write so small at school that they'd actually make me rewrite it so they could read it. So what was it? It was the 4th of September 25. How is it the 4th of September already? That's insane. But there we go. So this will be stored behind me, and you'll see this in my live videos when I'm at my computer. Obviously you won't see it so much in my craft videos because it's a down facing, but whenever I've got my face cam on, you'll be able to see this. But this is really quite cool. I'm quite excited I was able to get it. I don't know what videos are appearing, but I'm going to find a reason to use it at some point. I don't know why I'm putting it in there. I'm putting it up on my shelf. So I can just pack this box away. But I hope you've enjoyed this. I certainly have. I'm going to pop this up on my shelf behind me, and this I'll put up safe. That is not straight, is it? But thank you, YouTube, for sending this to me. I really am going to enjoy, and I will find some use for it, but it will go with my light and my Lego block YouTube signs that I already have. So I will see you all soon. You take care. Bye.